Gotta get Baby D together for his big day tomorrow. Sonson got some 100% El Negro. Parts gotta be crispy. We started off great. That first braid went in with ease. Getting that part straight. Number 2 went in like zip zip zip. Some be letting me do my thing. He's starting to get tired of me now. But we almost there, big dog. Last one.
What?
And bam, we're done.
Be in here, bro.
Go home.
Be in here.
Go home. Go home. You ain't trying.
Really, bro. Like, dude, turn your head, man. Bro.